Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, we have to reach the settings, so let's tap on it, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and under it we've got Reset options, so let's enter. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so here we've got the DRM reset, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on it again. Now your device is asking you if you really like to do it, because it will delete all the licenses. So if you are ready, tap on OK, and as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset digital rights management in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.